daughter brought everything together. Because I was there, all of a sudden, your wife came in and told me she's bragging me that the situation in which she's in now, if she doesn't get rid of that bastard baby, of course, your baby, the parents will end up. What should I even use?
David, Obana, Memenity, Samin to me, and I, Uncle, or Quadada. And can I walk for Prada, but Jimmy Filmin said, a son sent me to me penalty. First day near Baham, the old and dear wife, you know, yet.
What are you trying to say?
Someone look around, I said,
oh, yes, she insulted me so many times, but I thought I'm a man of God.
And you are not dressed me and Cassan or Domi. Oh, but all of me who said, touch the man at the room. So the other you, that
is not the case. Inwardly, your wife knows you are a fool, but outside she knows you. That is the whole issue. So all of a sudden she came and told me she wanted to get rid of the So how to help her? Because that's the job I do.
Not as a no, why rape me?
I did not rape her. No, I did not rape her. Don't mislead yourself, neither misinterpret yourself. I never raped your wife. Me? I don't go out raping people's wives and people's partners. No, I only took her to the theater, inserted a machine, and gave her some small pushes. But how many times did I even give a push and you are trying to go insane about this issue?
I dear wire. Let's sell you.
Oh, that makes me popular. You can go ahead, broadcast me, promote me, do whatever you want to do because it's rather the job I'm doing. I'm doing a perfect good job. Can't believe it.
It's a perfect good job now. And it's all name.
She even gave me the more pushes.
Who used to buy?
When I even push you, your wife also push me in. So don't forget, when you go, tell her she's very good. Can you please excuse me? It's treasury.
Hey,
if you care for an umbrella, you can come to the other message.
Oh, Daddy, I'll check it. Hey, tell me about one another.
Ebia me ye sana tia ubia banyu kwa me you yes ba mami mami let's say asa minimu animu
How
some animu ya won't have baby ah
and that what they feel
hey papa na ma baby won feel won no
yes
I catch a last with Bahokra, with Bawas and Bepedan, and I didn't know, yeah, catch us all fat down the crime, mamma. Eh, I say more. But so where you would have found no tension. I said, catch all the women fair. Women fair, yeah, women fair. Because since I'm a buying, I'm a bar on my camera, the man room doors, but who no, soon not touch him. But I answered the papa no way you need to me tell you the answer. I'm a who hate it. Hey, Uncle Pony, or Bonnie Pa, Bribia, so much when you say, hey, I'm a fair, because some know yeah.
Hey, Sassin.
Be true, Muye.
Would
have a percent be Buffy and be who are for Nanka. You know, your back or day.
Oh, Kafra. Ready, we'll be at winning. Me no be net. It's me found counsel.
Watch us only Bama be a
Katia.
Katia. La Katia, so ye. Mammy, I would be around. Maybe the dick I carry out any tea.
If I just uncommon as I mean, maybe I'm
for money the inside by many Joe Powers.
I will be not to a
wow. Oba, I'm over.
Oh,
hey, you know, task serious sister was sister. Gaze you, I really then Papa now can make me five by your way. I paid you down one farm, I'm a crime and never father for hey, you know.
This is painkiller. It's gonna reduce the pains that you'll feel. Why? Very good. back to your position. Good. And you're painful, okay? If you everything will be fine. And it's gonna be very soft too.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Okay. That is my profession, so I'm very good in it. Very good. What you're going to do now is I'm going to insert the medicine. Me insert the medicine area. And you're drawing this private parts area. Before that, I'm going to use my 2 fingers to push it forward. It's gonna go like this. Let's insert the 2. Then turn on my left and turn on my right. Before I push in that thing, for it to go smooth. Perfect. Are we good to go? Good. I love this profession. Wait. Can you please open up? Yeah, open up. Great. Are you ready? Come on, come down. Come down. No. No. Okay, come on. Lie down. Congratulations. No, still lie down. Maybe I'm left with my favorite. I love this session so much. I'm not gonna push in nothing. It's gonna go smooth. And perfect. So bring up your leg here. Yes, that I want to. Good. I'm gonna push it nothing, okay? I'm ready to go. Yeah, lie down. So we'll have the proper angle very well. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Yeah. That's why you're worried, I think. I see. The most important thing was all observing is the problem of the buyer that has been solved. What do I see? So far, baby in the hobby. Mr. Me, my abortion, I'm in a professional way. That is why I'm in set here. Push. What do I say? We want to say you are not comfortable, but that is the perfect push I can offer for you. Actually, I decided to late. I mean, yes, I didn't do it because maybe for people doesn't say it. But to become a situation, I shared your sentiment. I felt what you were feeling. I knew very well. You at least I need to help you. Everything about you is perfect, but your problem is solved, so you can go. But see it was you don't escalate, broadcast, announce it. What I say because a bit too was the problem as well. Alright. You can go. Media insect and a solve a problem. Okay. Would you may you clear you can go. If you tundra. I'm doing my popular job. You're also welcome to my health services. And I'll render your problems for you.
Yeah, Ivan. What's up? Cool, bro. I'm making a show. You're not know the one. Some of the ones I say, you. Oh, la la now, Charlie. Then, of course, you say. Charlie, say, my so as you. What do you Many Julie la now. I didn't see you. So I say, me Julian popular and intimate me the Emperor Julian the Embassy. Yeah, and I'm here harder than a currency, a damn man. Hey, the man person tell me so if you're Bema Mao. Me name to say me name be a course so or Julian won't mean counsel. You make up your name and talk. So smart. When you hear move you are now what you say. Just say me who dey me hear me home. Hen anya dan. A jago or whatever. Oh. Cha, what down can check me. Some man then I know I busy na adwuma sem no. Last time no me pay down makwa no. The course we hear be move you who. What do you do? Why am say man I just penny time showing now. Jai so koju sika. Do you believe say designer top am top big sense or no make confusion at no gidi crowd. How do you say kwana dey show when I won kan no allegation. Hi. Jai you koju sika dey me so midnight. God yeah yanko be say no we actually this no.
Is anybody here? Hello?
Yes, I am there. Good day, madam.
Good day, sir.
How may I help you?
Please, I'm looking for Dr. Fifi Robertson.
Of course, I'm the one. Is there anything that I can do for you?
I need your help.
What's up, per se?
The usual thing you do here.
What usual thing do I do here? I do so many things. I help people. That is in case they are falling. So I don't know.
The fact is, I've knocked myself up, and I need you to clear it for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see. So, are you ready? If I catch you, no.
Oh yeah, I came prepared. Are you talking about money?
Of course, yes.
Oh yes, I came prepared.
All right. Then I think. Initially, I was having a program, but I believe I have to cancel that one. So, like I mentioned, if only you are ready, then I have to be ready and do that for you. You are ready? Very well, then I believe we can go now. Did you say you're okay? Good afternoon, and what really brought you this afternoon?
Sweetheart. Why are you looking so marvelous, sweetheart?
Why won't I? Because I never expected you to be here by this time.
I told you I'll be back. And here I am. I'm coming for my crush.
Why are you always trying to sit on my nerves? Why?
Sweetie. Drop, okay? Why are you being so obstinate?
Why won't I? Because at least I expected you to be here.
Just a little push from you will solve all my problems. Baby, I get so uptight sometimes. My emotions are in shambles. So I need to get myself together. So I'll be fine with it 2-3 times a day.
Then you need to kill your shampoos with all due respect. And moreover, are you treating malaria that you expect me to give 2-3 times a week? I'm sure I'm here to work. I've done your job. I'm done with you. Why are you always pestering me?
I told you before I'm ready. And it's not my fault. I didn't tell you to make it sweet for me.
I believe with all due respect, if you want to just enjoyment, you need to go to Holland. That's where you can find perfect people to enjoy what you want. I do my pushes at the right time. How many times do you want me to tell you? Don't the boardroom with those words. It was a job, you gave it to me, and I rendered it, and I'm done with it. I'm done with you. Your dockets are closed.
I am not done with you. So it's your cross. You have to bear it.
For Christ, you can be romantic person, and I realized I was doing my job. And for your information, I'm married, man. I believe you know that. Or preferably you don't know about it.
You are a married man. Shakespeare once said that hell has no fury like a woman's command.
So what I'm trying to insinuate. Can I please walk out of my office? Because I'm not ready to give it up. I'm sick and tired of it.
Oh no, you did enjoy it.
Oh, I did, but
Oh
it
yeah,
was trying to-
So you're going to continue enjoying it. Sure. You will do it.
I'm not doing it.
You will do
I'm not doing it.
Do it.
I'm not doing it.
Just read it.
I'm going to do it today, tomorrow, or anything at all.
Read my lips too. And I am going to bring you downfall. I am going to expose you.
Oh, wow.
Where is it in medical history that people use their whatever? I'm going to let you know what you do here. What you do.
Go ahead and do whatever you want to do because I'm ever ready to go wherever I want to go. You can take me to the courts and I'm dealing to answer my questions with all due respect. And I will let them know you asked me to give you an extra push, which I'm not going to do it, and you still insist.
I am a free vessel.
So?
I have no boyfriend, I have no husband. So I am free to choose any man I want to sleep with.
Like what's me?
What about you?
Like what's me? Wife understand
The embarrassment itself is gonna kill you.
It will not kill me. It will rather upgrade my level and people understand the nature of the job I do. They will really understand that I give a push whenever I'm trying to go to service.
So. You don't care.
Of course.
Stand up.
No, not at all.
I'm going to give you trouble.
Why?
I am going to give you
I'm going
trouble.
to pray because I'm fiamboya.
Since you are so obstinate, I'm going to hit you so fast that you didn't know what I'm looking for.
Do you know something? I want first you to give yourself a break and don't ever stay
Really?
into my office again. Walk out of my office. Shit.
My name is Aweja. Remember that name for the evil I'll be for you.
I've never ready to receive anything.
Have a good day.
Have a blessed day because you never had what you wanted. How dare you tell me to give you a push whenever you visit my health center? It was a help I gave it to you. Although I enjoyed you, but that doesn't lead you another.
I need your help. Very serious. Did you come and kind of correct you? The tintin and say, a year, what of the other mammy? Abawa. Did you come? About what the spirit of me? About what me, who you mean? Baby, wait. When you about one, when you about when you say, that's only about what your friends on the watching prayer, Bosumi and some way. And Yamlet who about one of them. And worry, I am no. And the crab may bore money and say, I'm a person of woman and some about what's obey Yapalano. My curious since now about one to myself. About me, in some mention. Woman, 100 Ghana, 200 Ghana. And then I mean, also this year, we sit to what's remember about what is still obey Yapalano. Also obey Yakodana, one and I am no good. Say it. I don't know.